Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we delve into the epitome of automotive luxury, the Bentley Mulsanne. This flagship model from Bentley seamlessly blends timeless design, unparalleled craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes the Bentley Mulsanne a masterpiece in the world of luxury sedans. The Bentley Mulsanne commands attention with its stately presence. Bentley has refined its exterior with redesigned bumpers, a more pronounced grille, and sleek LED taillights, enhancing its classic charm while infusing a modern touch. The iconic Bentley grille and signature LED headlights remain prominent features, ensuring the Mulsanne's unmistakable road presence. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent cabin that exemplifies Bentley's commitment to luxury. Handcrafted wood veneers, sumptuous leather upholstery, and bespoke detailing create an ambience of sheer indulgence. The 2025 model offers updated chrome trim and fresh upholstery choices, allowing for a personalized touch. Remarkably, it takes 150 hours to hand trim the seats, showcasing the meticulous attention to detail. Under the hood lies a formidable 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower and 664 pounds-to-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Mulsanne accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans available. This performance ensures that the Mulsanne offers both exhilarating speed and a smooth, effortless driving experience. The Mulsanne's sophisticated air suspension system guarantees a serene and comfortable ride, effortlessly absorbing road imperfections. For those who prefer a more traditional driving feel, optional steel springs are available. This flexibility allows drivers to tailor the ride quality to their preferences, ensuring comfort on long journeys and agility when desired. Equipped with a dual 12.3-inch infotainment display system, the Mulsanne integrates the Bentley Connectivity Unit, offering advanced navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. The intuitive voice recognition system enhances user experience, though some may find the dashboard's array of buttons a bit overwhelming. Nonetheless, the technology suite ensures that drivers and passengers remain connected and entertained throughout their journey. Bentley prioritizes safety with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These advanced driver assistance systems enhance both safety and convenience, providing peace of mind whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The 2025 Mulsanne offers extensive customization, allowing owners to tailor the vehicle to their exact preferences. With 140 exterior colors, 12 different veneers, and 24 hide colors available, it's unlikely that any two Mulsanne will be identical. This level of personalization ensures that each Mulsanne is a unique reflection of its owner's taste and style. Reflecting its exclusivity and luxury, the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne starts at approximately $238,000. For those who demand the very best in craftsmanship, performance, and technology, the Mulsanne represents a worthy investment in automotive excellence. In summary, the 2025 Bentley Mulsanne stands as a testament to Bentley's unwavering dedication to luxury and performance. With its powerful engine, meticulously crafted interior, and advanced features, it offers an unparalleled driving experience. For those seeking the pinnacle of automotive opulence, the Mulsanne remains an exceptional choice. What do you think about Bentley Mulsanne? Let me know in the comments. Or would you take this over a Mercedes S-Class? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.